I have to face paint 100 kids in 90 minutes, which gives me about 30 seconds per kid. So here are my top 5 30-second face paint designs ranked. Starting off, we got a flaming soccer ball. Okay, so step 1, we just need the white base. The challenge with this is getting the base to dry fast enough. Now we're gonna trace the edge, do a U, come up and do another U, and then come up and do a U here, a U, come back down. It's literally just tracing these U's. Oh, that's a little close to my eyeball, but okay. And then we fill in the middle. All right. And then I kind of will rub it because it goes a little bit quicker when I rub it. That's what she said. Ta-da! So of course we gotta go in, add glitter on the fire, because oh my gosh, like it makes such a big difference. Number 4 are these 30-second sparkly fireworks. So I'm starting with these like kind of like U-like shapes. Oh, maybe one more? No, I'll just do this. We just gotta get the little flicks right. The flicks are the hardest. Then we're gonna go in with a little white. More flicks. Oh, this is cute actually. This is cute. These are my little stars. I think I'm over time. Definitely over time. We're gonna do little dots here. Then I got my glitter pot. Of course you don't have to add glitter, but I feel like with the fireworks you can't have too much glitter. Okay, it's really cute. Okay, what do we think? Number 3, we have the spider with a spider web. First I start with the head, then the body, then the legs. Don't ever go this close to the eyes in a child, please. Done. If I have an extra maybe 5 seconds, I'll add a little web and I'll just do like nothing crazy. Just so the spider has something to attach to. Coming in at number 2, we have a rose. First we start with the petals. You could do pointed petals or rounded petals. Kind of like rounded today. Then a U shape. Oh, I messed up. An N shape and then a U shape. Whoops. And then we do a C shape and another C shape and another C shape and one more. And then it's done. Of course, we need sparkles. And in first place, we have a 30-second bumblebee. First, we do a little teardrop shape for the body, then the head, then the wings, antennae, eyes, and the stripes. Done. How do we do? If I have an extra literally 2 seconds, I would add glitter. Look how cute he is.